everyone again. I'm Grant Van Brewer with the Motorcar Collection. I bring to you this very special 2019 Aston Martin DBS Superleggera featuring satin black paint and original $385,000 MSRP. Let's check it out and go for a drive. All right, we're in the 2019 Aston Martin DBS Superleggera that we're offering. This is the range-topping Aston Martin at the current moment. 715 horsepower, 664 foot-pounds of torque. Basically wrapped up in a Tom Ford suit. I mean, that's what everybody wants. They want the supercar, but they also want the car that's a little bit more classy, a little bit easier on the eyes. You know, you think of James Bond when you think of Aston Martin. I'd say this DBS Superleggera is a nice mixture of James Bond and Bruce Wayne with its satin black Q paint. And Q is Aston Martin's bespoke commission division, so it takes a little bit of extra effort in order to get one of these cars executed like this out of a build. The interior's got this amazing AML pure black leather interior, which is an upgrade and features the tri-axle stitching. You've got lots of nice brogue detailing and stitching in bronze, which complements the bronze calipers quite nicely. Everything from the chopped carbon inlays to the Bang & Olufsen Bayo sound. Just an extraordinary build. Whoever spec'd this out, they really went the extra mile, and again, much like some of the other cars we have in our inventory, they didn't leave any box unchecked. But just an absolute joy to drive for any occasion. Oh, just a lovely, glorious V12 tone. And that comes from Aston Martin's all-new 5.2 liter V12, featuring a pair of twin turbos, so you get that easy to drive around town sort of response. Oh, there's a little exhaust blurb right there. It's just absolutely glorious. Now this car features a fully exposed carbon fiber roof. You've got carbon fiber hood vents, and the lovely underbonnet jewelry pack features gold heat shielding, as well as the oil filler cap and dipstick. Just a nice little detail to finish it off, and it really coincides with the bronze detailing on the interior as well as the calipers. If you've been having a hard time figuring out whether it's supercar or grand touring that you want to go with, this is the perfect combination, and it delivers both exceptionally well. Once again, I'm Grant Van Brewer with the Motorcar Collection. I hope you really enjoyed our 2019 Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. This is the perfect combination between supercar and grand tour. Thank you.